He first tied a zombie to a metal rack, dangling a piece of pork in front of it, forcing it to chase. The zombie kept running, powering a water pump and irrigating the crops. The system was energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Even the air it breathed out was recycled as fuel. The man put a mask on the zombie and opened a valve, creating a zero-emission barbecue grill. Using the same method, he built a power generator. Inside the room, 3 zombie workers operated day and night. The first 2 were full of energy, but the last one was completely drained. The man tossed a piece of beef at it, but the zombie was too exhausted to even eat. The cold-blooded boss pulled out a gun and ended it on the spot. He opened the safety gate and randomly selected another zombie to take its place. When he got bored, he would invite a few zombies to box, just to relieve stress. Next, the man went out hunting, using pork to lure zombies away. He got into his zombie-powered car and drove off, but before long, the car suddenly stopped. Worried something was wrong, he got out to check and found the zombie generator had shut down. Even zombies couldn't handle this kind of workload. The man tried to motivate it with beef, but it had no interest in working anymore. Left with no choice, he tossed it aside and waved fresh meat to recruit replacements. One zombie applied immediately, but fell straight into a trap. Another zombie showed up for an interview, but the man told it to come back tomorrow. Once the new worker joined, the car sped up on the way home. They ran into soldiers capturing people for experiments. The man switched to high-speed mode, and the car shot forward, starting a chase. But the speed drained the energy fast, and eventually, the man was captured. They tied him up as live bait to attract zombies, and the man was terrified. His legs were stiff and shaky, exhaustion written all over his face, until his strength finally gave out and his legs began to collapse. The zombies stopped.